Hello, everybody. This is Texas Danny coming to you from early Tuesday morning on March the 9th, 2021, here in Texas, early a.m. Texas time. And this is a simple, short diagram. This is to kind of lead you to a point of thought. We have memory. That's what we have. We remember the shape of a square. We remember the shape of a triangle. We remember the shape of a circle or a sphere. This is what we have, memory, and it does count, and it does matter. I made that point to somebody today. It's a little possibly controversial, but I wanted to see where that would lead. It leads to the program here that we're at right now. We have a situation of spatial areas closing, of our sphere slowly reducing in size, at least on represented digital media and printed media, including underneath these pages are my 2012 North American Atlas, rapidly disintegrating, by the way. But it also shows changes that are not as detailed and not as specific. They're in the general category of a atlas, road atlas, a North American road atlas, but it still shows the changes that I can observe and the differences. Our radius is closing in and it's changing, folks. Even though these spatial areas in their designations mathematically are going to keep on showing you that they come to exact scale, that there's no difference, that there's no changes, that is not so, in my opinion, from my observations from this channel. These areas are moving and they are showing movements. For example, this would be a very large subaquatic tract in the area roughly of the Gulf of Mexico. This area here, and this area here is a designated area, a subaquatic area that would be roughly off the coast of South America, the northern latitudes. And in this smaller area, you see what's happened. Our closing in spaces and our movements of the locations of these places. And they still show that to my eyes, what I'm seeing. Even though the mathematical information says, no, the mileage is still the same. You know, we all know that old saying here, mileage may vary, but not this way, folks. Your eyes also show you what they see. I am seeing this. I'm seeing us slowly close and change worldwide. There is no place on the face of the earth, no place on earth that is not active. We are very, very active everywhere. Again, even though these radiuses or these areas will show you on the maps that their mileage is the same. For example, well, no, it's 1,800 miles. And this is going to say it's 1,800 miles. Well, you can see the differences and that kind of thing like that. And they'll say, well, if you put one further back this way and further up ahead this way, you're going to see those different perspectives. True, but not in the way that I'm seeing them. We're active, we're transferring, and we're changing. These areas are showing their movements. And all these mathematical representations all over the world are active everywhere. There is no place, not one, on the face of the earth, whatever this earth is, whatever the domain is, that does not show to be demonstrated as active. Texas Danny out.